How to log in into the Wells Fargo bank online. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to get logged in into your Wells Fargo bank online, here is the step-by-step process. So first and foremost, head over to any of your preferred browser and search for Wells Fargo. Go to www.wellsfargo.com. Once you are in its official website, tap on the sign on button. This should now take you to the login portal. Now, you have to provide your login credentials, which includes your username and the password. You also have the option to save the username. But in order to keep your account secure, only save your username on the devices that are not used by others. After that, tap on sign on and you should be good to go. If you have forgotten your username or password, tap on the link which will take you to another page. This will ask you for 3 such information. The first one is SSN or ITIN, the second one is username, and the third one is account number. If this is verified and authenticated, after that you can continue to reset your password. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.